Enzo. Oh, they are here, Enzino. They are all here. Hello. Hello. Who's that, Enzo?
That's Mia.
Mia? Mia. Okay, Enzo, let's go. It's late this morning, Enzo. Let's go, Enzino. Vieni? Enzo, vieni col babbo? Ciao. Ale, andiamo, dai. Very nice. Entriamo? C'è Matthew? Where is Matthew? There is Matthew. Eccolo Matthew. Minutes documented.
These boys actually comfort each other.
I know, they like each other.
They're both
They're both quiet. They are buddies. Yeah, they are touchy-feely guys.
Hi.
That's a daddy. Oh no, the daddy.
Hi, Matthew.
So do people want to wear costumes for this pumpkin party?
The adults, not really.
Oh, okay.
I'd love to have some of them wear
No,
them.
they did. Last year we had a couple wearing.
Parents
like,
did wear them.
Yeah, they wore
Yeah.
some stuff.
Yeah, it's fun when the parents, the staff used to. I don't think they dress up as much as they did.